Spring is just around the corner. Here's the May edition of What's New in Asana. Organize your work your way with the new and improved My Tasks. View your tasks on a board and customize your sections by progress, date, work block, or any other categories that matter to you. You can even add rules to seamlessly route tasks between sections. This update is rolling out gradually. Keep an eye out for an announcement in your My Tasks. Next, project dashboards are more beautiful than ever. Your charts now include colors linked to relevant custom fields. You can also change the color scheme of a chart from the Edit Chart dialog. Finally, your time is a precious resource. Make sure you only get the email notifications that need your attention with our new settings options. For the full list of what's new this month, check out our release notes in the Asana guide.